Hello. In this lesson, we will discuss about precedence of logical operators and truth tables of compound propositions. Let's start. Precedence of logical operators. This is something like when you are doing mathematical calculation, you have to do some precedent-wise operation like 2 plus 2 product 3. What will happen then? You have to do the product of 2 and 3. Then you have to do the addition. Same like there is some precedence of logical operators, which is not is first and is second or is third, conditional statement is fourth, and fifth is biconditional statement. All right. Now we will see our truth tables of compound proposition. Here is the compound proposition P or not Q, conditional statement P and Q. That means if P or not Q, then P and Q. Here is the our precedence of logical operators. First, you have to find out not Q. Then you have to find out P or not Q. Then you have to find out P and Q. Finally, you have to find out the whole truth table. Alright, here is the demonstration of the truth table. First you find out not Q, then you find out P or not Q, and then you find out P and Q, and finally you find out the total truth table. Alright, that's all. Thank you. Hope you understand, and we'll meet in our next lesson.